Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about how to make a balloon sword. Okay, so all you need is your balloon and your balloon pump. So first all you gotta do is give your balloon a good stretch. And now blow it up and leaving about half an inch or so at the end. Watch. Now tie it. Keep in mind that this is the end of the sword. So now you're gonna bring it over and back down and then twist all this in half. And there you go. Those are your handles and here's your sword. Hey, thanks for coming with me to learn all about how to make a balloon sword. It was sorta fun. Why does it take so long for pirates to learn the alphabet? Because they spend years at sea! Hey, if you like this video and you want to see more things like this, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you, and God bless you.
Mr. Homeschool.